came out to eat some breakfast. Pancakes and bacon and pancakes and sausage. Gotta have that strawberry milk. Alrighty, we made it to the spot. Real pretty views with the buffalo in the background. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna do the car review. Okay guys, he's getting ready to start her. See what it sounds like. Man, that sounds good. Here's a beautiful 1957 Chevy Bel Air, and it's 4-door. The color is dusk pearl with ivory top, and they've restored it to the original color. It used to be black and white, and yeah, I'm digging this original color that they put back on it. And yeah, it's got Bel Air on the side. It's got tons of chrome on it. I'll go ahead and show you the inside. The steering wheel is so big in these things. I think that's really cool. And then back here they got their little kids. Oh, it's funny. And the seats are silver and black. And yeah, they restored the interior too. And also the carpet's black. And it's got a lot of chrome on the inside. And I'll go ahead and show you the speed gauge. It goes up to 120. I don't know if I'd want to go that fast in this, but it looks like it steers really good. I'll let him in front of me going down the road to see how good it looked. Man, it looks amazing. Okay, it's got little side mirrors. Man, this color looks good. Front end looks really different back in the day. I think he said the 58 model, it had the 2 headlights in the front on each side. I'll have to look it up to make sure. It's got some gold emblems on the front. This side you can't see it as good where it's not in the sun. It still looks good. Okay, here's this side. I'm going to go ahead and hop in. It's got Bel Air in the dash here. Got the small radio, old-timey one, and then it just looks amazing inside. It's got the bubbly windshields. You can see really good out of them. Yeah, I think they've done a really good job. There's Buffalo in the distance, and yeah, look how big this gas pedal is. Never seen one that big, I don't think. Got a little light on the roof here. Back windshield. Go back to the front. Looks like it has 2 side windows on the front. And we redid the door here. Looks really good. And yeah, a little shop called Rusty Nuts Restoration. It's in Floyd, Virginia. And he did an amazing job on this car. He does a lot of hot rods. Anything that's old, he restores them back to new. And yeah, I give him a lot of props for this. It's really good. I like the white wheel tires there. Those are cool. About everywhere we went, everybody's got a picture of this car. We went to Mayberry Mill, a few other little places, went out to eat. And I like how the trunk goes out like that, kind of flares. It's one of my favorite parts about it. And these are some long cars. He was parked in my driveway the other day and took up the whole driveway almost. Alright, it's got the 283 engine and it's painted bright orange. And it's got tons of room in here. Looks like he's got a brand new battery for it. All the wires and everything's organized. Tons of room in front of the radiator. And another thing I noticed, it's got a little small belt for the fan. And here's Mayberry Mill, and here's where we was parked at.